Hey everyone, I'm back with a different kind of video today. So I've been doing YouTube for a couple years now. I used to be monetized, but ever since YouTube changed it to where you needed a certain number of watched hours, I'm no longer monetizable. And so with that, I'd like to announce that I'm officially making a Patreon account. Now what that means is with a Patreon account, you can pledge to donate X amount of dollars per month to help support my channel and keep it running. On my Patreon, there's 4 different tiers. There's iron, bronze, silver, and gold. Iron, which is $1, which is the bare minimum if you would like to just contribute in any way, shape, or form, but don't want to commit to anything more expensive. Bronze is if you want to contribute a little bit more. You get a reward, which is you have your name listed in the bronze tier of the end of my videos. $5, which is silver tier, grants you your name listed in the silver tier at the end of each video, and once a month I'll shout out your name at the end of my videos. And then there's gold tier, which is $10 a month, which includes getting your name shouted out once a month at the end of the video, your name listed in gold tier at the end of the video, and catching the videos one day early. Now those are just the first 4 tiers that I have, with a bunch more benefits planned for more tiers. I was thinking of doing like video tutorial, 2-hour one-on-one session on how to edit a video, and much more. So whether or not you're a patron, I'd still like to say thank you for your continued support in watching my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.